मैंने बोला कि जो when we talk about the fact what I have discussed here कि all the issues would be resolved much quickly purely for the main aspect or the key aspect of acceptance. So I'm allowing the other person to be what he or she is. But the most important thing is that I will not be I will not be him or her. So I will not be affected by what they're doing. ये दोनों चीज़ें बहुत equally simultaneous हैं, very 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 important. So even one person can resolve these kind of issues कि सामने वाला जैसा उसको वैसा रहने दो और आप वैसे मत बनो, लेकिन जैसे आपने एक्सेप्टेंस ले ली ये तो ऐसा ही है, आपका ध्यान उससे शिफ्ट किया आपने, प्लस आप वैसे नहीं बनोगे. तो जैसे अभी मुझे उलझन होती है इफ मम वर्क्स इन द किचन और मुझे बड़ा लगता है व्हाई शी इज़ नॉट, व्हाई कांट शी रिलैक्स, व्हाई कांट शी लिसन टू नाइस टॉक्स एंड व्हाई कांट शी डू अदर थिंग्स. तो वहाँ तो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन आ गई ना अंडरलाइन कि वो मेरी तरह करे. उस चीज़ को मैंने छोड़ दिया कि यार इनको इसमें मज़ा आता है, इनको ये करने दो,
Change your expectation.
इनको करने दो, इनको जो करना
मतलब change your expectation.
मे बी इट्स अ सोर्स ऑफ माई नेगेटिविटी.
वो है ना, वो ट्रिगर पॉइंट है कि तेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन यू चेंज योर कंडीशन या नहीं, ट्रिगरिंग
तो
पॉइंट
मुझे कुछ नहीं, भाई इनको जो करना है वो करने
हाँ
दो.
वो समराइज यू चेंज योर
लेकिन ऑल द मोर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट इज कि मैं उसमें ड्रैग ना हूँ, ना इमोशनली, ना मेंटली, ना फिजिकली. कि अभी वो करे जा रही है, मेरी अपनी प्रायोरिटीज़ है, उनकी अपनी प्रायोरिटीज़ है. लेट हर डू व्हाट शी वांट्स, लेट मी डू व्हाट आई वांट, साइमल्टेनियसली, बिना अफेक्ट हुए, बगैर कुछ ध्यान दिए वो क्या कर रहा है. अब इसमें आपने बोला कि दोनों पार्टीज़ हैं. अब आप जो एग्जाम्पल देना चाहते हो मैं ये बोलती हूँ उसको, मैं समझ रही हूँ बिना कहे आपके कि यार उनका तो नेचर ही है, एक तो वो करेंगी जो तो करेंगे, फिर साथ में तो को कोशिश भी करेंगे और तेरे मुंह बना लेंगे कि इसने तो काम नहीं किया घर का, इसने तो ये नहीं किया, इसने वो नहीं किया. ये तो काम ही करे मेरे साथ, घर के धंधे ही बिटे है नहीं है. या इनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन खुद की, उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन को कैसे मैनेज करूँ ना मैं. प्रॉब्लम ये भी तो आ रही है.
प्रॉब्लम वो है ना, you are expect to managing their expect their problem.
Exactly. In my bid to manage her expectation, I'll end up getting dragged into her.
You changing your expectation. You take the other way around.
This is what I'm saying. कि I have to ensure not to be dragged into her expectations.
Yeah.
Let her do what she wants. I'll do what I want. It might mean that she'll be upset because I'm not doing what she wants. But from my side, I will not be upset. A, when she's not doing what I want. B, I will not leave my own self to meet her expectation.
So end of the day ये है ना कि
And I will not absorb her negative energy because as a result of when I'm not meeting her expectation. It will be a little slow process, but over the time, she will have no expectation from me on that too.
No,
Because over the time, deep down, gradually things will change and she'll say she is anyways not doing it. Because when it comes to money matters, she has no expectations from her, the or money. She has all expectations from me, right? Because I have set those expectations. So this is another pathway of managing expectations by setting, or putting the people into a situation where there is no expectation. By not actually meeting their expectations for a little time, then over the time the person gets convinced and automatically things will come in a way. Anyways, this person is not.
वो given है उसके लिए वो process very slow है. First thing, until she will keep expecting, until she not given up.
ये तो she will give up. That's what.
But is it time
consuming? But to give up, the whole point is that I have to ensure not to do it those interim expectation fulfillments every now and then.
But
which does not agree with my core. No, which does not agree with my core. Not that the thing.
Because that's का reaction आएगा, then I'm ready to take the heat of that action.
That's what I'm saying. So I should know. That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
See, your own coverage, your own shield has to be really strong, that you are not affected by the person, what they're doing. That's it. Yeah. Then there'll be complete peace. Like how Amok does, how he ignores sometimes when I call him ye kar wo kar, and I keep telling also he turns a deaf ear. He doesn't feel affected. He keeps doing his job. She's going on and on. Let my mom, yep. And then
no, even कल विशेष का भी example है. विशेष want you pushing to you send money. You push me to send money. Okay. because he just want, if money हो जाता है तो then he certainly go to the party, very sure था.
It wasn't for the money.
नहीं, listen
He
to me.
said he didn't go because I had told him, beta, you have to ask yourself, have I done it?
ना, listen to me. कहने का मतलब उस एक
But
एग्जांपल
if
मैं
a
अब
situation,
उसको
yeah,
कहने का
if it was a situation, yeah.
सिचुएशन मैं सिचुएशन कर रहा हूँ कि उसने पुश करने की कोशिश की. अब उसके अंदर तुमने अपने आप को तुम्हारा ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है यार मेरे को बच्चे को तो राजी रखना, माई एक्सपेक्ट ही शुड बी हैप्पी, राइट? तो देन यू टू पुश what he want, correct? But you just put your expectation, or you are not expect your expectation, you change it. Your expectation, don't focus on he should be happy, he's like that. You change the expectation, okay, this is
I
their
have to
finish.
be happy. My happiness comes first.
Yes.
So it's very interesting that again it's non-stop becoming a prioritizing me.
Exactly.
Happy me prioritizing me.
You committed to your happiness.
It shouldn't mean that we are being selfish. It shouldn't mean that we're being selfish.
No.
Because our
It's selfish time होता है, you have a bad intention. You are not a bad intention. You are not a bad intention.
And if you are yourself not happy, how can you make others happy?
Yeah.
और ये चीज़ हम लोग हमेशा भी बोलते हैं, कई बार हम लोगों ने हमारे बच्चों में भी ये वैल्यूज इंस्टिल कर दी नहीं, या we start living. I mean, it's good to be philanthropic. It's good to be living for others, but not at the cost of our own mental peace or our own mental joy or our own spiritual or physical well-being. So it's interesting, isn't it? कि जो वो बोलते हैं ना निष्काम प्रेम, और वो यही हो गया निष्काम.
मुझे तो जिस हिसाब से माइंड में बना रही है